Okay, so here it is. The cake is covered with the frosting and it's rustic, so we don't need to do a whole lot of perfection on the cake. So I wanted it to look a little bit like grainy and with spots. And now for the decoration. So these are the colors for the baby shower. It's a Bohemian baby shower, so it's this green, it's kind of like a, maybe like a Navajo-ish color, I would say, and this off-white cream color. So I'm going to start painting these with my spatula to decorate and create these kind of like feathery leaves on the cake. Now, very important, you have to let this cake get firm before you mount it on top of each other. I did not, and it was quite a mess because I was antsy. But also, you have to figure out where the front of your cake is. The best part that you think looks the best, less crooked and all that. And that's the part that you select. And I am going with this part right here. And this will be my focal point. This is the middle of the cake. And I'll start decorating there. So let me get started on that. So it's cookie time. And for this baby shower, we're doing baby rattles, feathers, onesies, and dream catchers. So I baked them. It's a basic sugar cookie dough. And now I'm just lining them and getting ready for them to be flooded and then decorating. I have a long way to go. It's a lot of cookies. So we're here at the boho baby shower for my brother and sister, and we can't wait to celebrate them. Look at this beautiful cake, and by request, a teepee. So there it is with a little pillow and everything. We're so excited. We can't wait for her to come and celebrate them and celebrate our cute little baby that's coming.